Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Ford's 2009 to 2014 F-150. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Jack up your transmission using a jack stand. With a 15mm socket and 18mm wrench, remove the 4 bolts retaining the factory transmission crossmember and remove your crossmember. Step 3. Hold your replacement transmission crossmember up to the frame. The 2 round slots will be on the right side of your vehicle while the circular hole will be on the left. Then, tap your crossmember into place with a hammer. You can insert a punch to help with the alignment. Once you have your crossmember in place, insert a bolt into each end of your crossmember. Then, tighten your hardware with an 18mm socket and wrench. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!